Hello guys, it's Esosa here. You guys, this is by far the healthiest sorrel drink or Zobo drink in the world, okay? For this recipe guys, this recipe is loaded with amazing health benefits. For this recipe guys, you need some pineapple. First, I'll peel my pineapple. Did you know that pineapple is low in calories and high in vitamins and minerals? It's also rich in antioxidants that prevent cellular aging. If you don't want to age fast, like you want to look younger than your age, you want to look 20 where you are 60, make sure you eat at least one pineapple every day. So next, I will rinse the sorrel leaves to remove dirt. In a pot, I will add some water, bring water to a boil. Some fresh chopped ginger, some cloves, bay leaves, cucumber, pineapple peels, cover with a lid and allow to cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes guys, I will set aside. Next, I will blend some steamed beetroot. You guys, emphasis on steamed beetroot. This right here is loaded with amazing health benefits, so you definitely need to add this in your sorrel drink when you are making one, okay? So next, I'll add pineapple, after blending, I will sieve the juice using a strainer. Next, I'll sieve the sorrel drink as well. And then add the beetroot pineapple juice to the sorrel. And then I will add 1/3 cup of sugar. Refrigerate for at least 6 hours. Serve and enjoy. Absolutely delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Facebook. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for doing that. I will see you in my next video. Always stay fabulous and remain blessed. Bye.